In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable your proxy server on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now on the left panel, select network and internet. And then on the right side, select versus proxy. And then versus automatically the text settings at the top, make sure it's toggled to the right and enabled. And underneath manual proxy setup, select setup and toggle use a proxy server to the off position. And that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.